Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing my very first project pan video. Essentially what I want to do this year is to get through more makeup than I usually do. I'm the type of person that if I find that a routine is working for me, I'll just keep doing it and it doesn't change for makeup. So basically I will show you at the beginning of every month how much progress I've made, and if there's a product that I finished and that I want to switch out, I will let you guys know that as well in the next video. I'm gonna be putting stuff into a container where I can visibly see it. That way, when I wanna grab my essentials, I look at this and I'm like, hey, you got that to work on. So yeah, I'm not gonna overwhelm myself too much with too many things. Ooh, I forgot to include something in here. This. Ooh. And I have one product for each category, and I'm just gonna show you what I want to use up in the month of January. Let's get started. Starting off with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen slash Moisturizer. I bought it back in summertime, so I definitely want to get through this. This is more of like a skincare product because it goes directly on your skin. Ooh, I'm scared to spill it. It's not that I want to get rid of it, but it's like I kind of have to. This product doesn't have a visible expiration date on here, so I'm scared it's gonna go bad and I'm gonna start breaking out. I don't know, I'm just being weird. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks like I've done nothing, but I promise I use it every time I do my makeup. My eyebrow products. I do want to finish this up because I want to get a lighter shade. I think I mentioned it a couple videos ago that I don't think this shade suits my new hair color. I want to finish this up and go for a lighter, warmer shade. This is in the shade medium brown. This is the brow definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's just roll it all the way up, see how much I have left. Oh, it's not that bad. I have this much left. So I should be done with it probably by the end of this month. That's another thing I want to do this year is before I buy new makeup, I want to consciously either give some makeup away so it doesn't go to waste, or finish up what I already have and then I can replenish. And then I also want to put this in there because as much as I like it, this is an older product in my collection and I'd rather have a brand new one. There's nothing wrong with this one. I absolutely love it. I love how it shapes and sets my eyebrows and adds definition, but I just want to use it up, and I think I'm coming up to the end of its life because the bristles are looking a little dry. Not too dry, so I know it still has product in there. Next product is foundation. This is called the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. You guys know this is my favorite. Again, it's not that I want to get rid of it because I love this foundation. I mean, just look at it. I feel like liquid products expire a little bit faster than powder products do. I just want to get through this one. I love it. I think I'm gonna end up repurchasing it anyway, so I might as well use this one up and get a brand new one. I don't know how much of this I have because the bottle is glass, so I won't know literally until I finish it, and it looks full. It looks brand new. Concealer. This I do want to get rid of it. This is the Skin Fetish Concealer by Pat McGrath. It blends out beautifully. It doesn't cake up. But the problem is that it's not enough coverage for me. I can see right through it. It's not concealing my under eye bags at all. You can still see a little bit of blue coming through. So this is just not it for me, but I don't want to let it go to waste. So hopefully I can get it down by the end of this month, so I can go back to my tried and true Shape Tape. Another product that I don't necessarily want to finish, but I've had this one exactly for a really long time. I swear to you guys, I use this so often that you would think it would like be almost done. No, it looks full in there. Yeah, I can't show you because it has this little stopper, but there's so much product in there. You would think I've never even touched it. For contour slash bronzer, this is the KKW Powder Contour and Highlight Kit in the shade medium. I've had this for way too long and it's just sitting in my drawer, so I'd rather use it up. I'm mainly looking forward to using this one up. I do use this one a little bit for my nose contour, but it's mainly this one that I'm trying to like get down. Hopefully I can get into these two highlighters, but I'm mainly gonna focus on this one. I kind of forgot how much I actually enjoy this contour shade. I think it's contour number 1. I think this one is the more orangey one. I love love, love. Before the Fenty Sunstalker came along, I think I was using this, and as soon as that came out, I stopped using this. Project Pan to me is to use up makeup that I no longer reach for, that is older makeup in my collection that I don't want to go to waste. Next, I have this Kylie Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade Winter Kiss. This is one of my favorite blushes, especially for winter. It just looks like you've been out in the cold all day and you just look a little bit flushed. I see myself not reaching for it anymore, so I rather just finish it up. Even the packaging is looking a little old, so I feel like it's time to move on. I bought this mascara. This is a YSL mascara. This is the Volume Effect Full Cil. It's French. Don't know. I love how this mascara spreads your lashes. It doesn't cake up. It doesn't look all spidery and crazy. I love it specifically for my bottom lash line. I did use it today. One thing I will say about this mascara is that it transfers. This is not a long wearing mascara, and that's why I want to get rid of it ASAP. I don't reach for it because it's not reliable. I can't rely on it to stay on my eyes for longer than maybe 4 hours. After that, it starts transferring to my cheeks and it's just not a good look. So another thing I want to mention about this mascara is the fragrance. It has so much fragrance, which a lot of high-end mascaras have, especially YSL. They put a lot of fragrance in the mascara. If you're sensitive to fragrance, specifically around your eyes, I wouldn't recommend this mascara because it has a lot. This, I purchased it and I hate it. I hate this product. I'm not gonna use it today. I'm not gonna use it today. Why? Because I hate it. I hate it. I know a lot of people love this. I know a lot of people rave about this. I do love the sprayer. It's just like, I don't even want to spray it because my mic is right here and then my camera is just not worth it. The continuous setting mist is so like, it feels so good, but it's just not good, especially if you have oily skin. I remember the first time I used it was the last time I used it. When I sprayed it on my face, I had a full face. I think it was around my birthday. I had a full face of makeup and it broke off all of my makeup. Ever since then, I was traumatized and I never touched it again. Although I do want to get rid of it, I still don't want it to go to waste. Maybe on days that I'm not filming, I'll experiment with this. Hopefully I can get through it. I want to have a palette of the month. I feel like I don't play with my Dominique Cosmetics palettes enough, and they are so beautiful. I love this one. This is the Latte palette. This is the very first palette she came out with. Perfect for every day. It has some amazing transition colors that I can use with other palettes. Yeah, I just want to use it more. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the close-up, and hopefully next month we get through so much more. I think it would be so cool to hit pan on some of these and keep repurchasing it because it's an amazing palette. I don't think I've ever hit pan on any eyeshadow palette, so this would be the first. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my first Project Pan video. I hope we can make lots of progress by next month, and I'll be sure to share that video with you guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.